Vultures, nature's cleanup crew. Wild Africa, a land of abundant life and endless struggles for survival. Here, life and death intertwine, creating an eternal cycle. High above, African vultures, the guardians of the skies, patrol the land. Belonging to the eagle and raptor family, with wingspans reaching up to 3 meters, they are master pilots, able to soar for hours on thermal currents with barely a flap of their wings. Below, life continues. Herds of animals move across the grasslands, and top predators like lions enforce nature's law. Every successful hunt leaves behind a trace, and that is the very signal the sky's guardians have been waiting for. The feast begins. The scent of a carcass spreads, drawing in different species of vultures, such as the white-backed vulture and the lappet-faced vulture. A fierce scramble unfolds. They are specialists in handling carrion, playing an essential role in the ecosystem. To adapt to their scavenger lifestyle, vultures have undergone remarkable evolutionary changes. Their heads and necks are bald or covered only with fine down, allowing them to stay clean when plunging deep inside carcasses, preventing bacteria and parasites from clinging to them. With body lengths ranging from 70 to 120 centimeters and weights of up to 9 kg, they are true giants of the skies. Their diet consists mainly of dead animals. The vulture's digestive system is among the strongest in the natural world. The highly acidic gastric juices in their stomachs can destroy dangerous pathogens that cause cholera, anthrax, and even the rabies virus. They truly are nature's sanitation workers. Without them, carcasses would decay slowly, becoming breeding grounds for deadly epidemics across the savannah. But a feast is not always peaceful. The creator of the kill may return. A male lion can easily chase away dozens of vultures to reclaim its prize. The flock of vultures is forced to wait patiently at a safe distance. Even within the vulture world, there is a hierarchy. Larger species with powerful beaks, such as the lappet-faced vulture, tear through the tough skin and sinew first, paving the way for smaller species like the white-backed vulture to reach the softer flesh inside. When breeding season arrives, vultures often nest on high cliffs or tall trees. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and raising the chicks. The young are fed with food regurgitated by the parents. This marks the beginning of a new generation of cleaners for the savannah. As the sun sets, another day ends in this harsh yet vibrant land. The vultures rest, preparing for tomorrow. They are not killers, but their role is crucial in keeping the ecosystem clean and balanced. They are silent heroes, the indispensable janitors of wild Africa.